Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Microsoft Store opens and closes immediately on Windows 10 or 11. So basically how you can fix Microsoft Store not opening. So the first thing what you need to do here, you just need to go on search and write run. And then you just need to write here "-b" reset.exe. Press OK. And then you need to look if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is not fixed, what you need to do here you need to go on search and and look for Microsoft Store, right click on it, and go to app settings, and then scroll down until you see a reset, and then you need to just press repair, and then you need to press reset, right? And after that you need to look if the problem persists or not, and if the problem persists, then you need to search, you need to go to services, and then you need to click on one of the tasks here and press M. And then you need to look for Microsoft Store install service, and then you need to go to properties, stop it, and then make sure to make it automatic here, press start, and then press apply and OK. And then click on the task again, press C, and then you need to look for client license service, right? And then you need to make sure that client license service is running, right? And after that, you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then you need to reinstall Microsoft Store, and I will show you how you can do that. So on search, you need to write Windows PowerShell, and then you need to run as administrator here. And then you need to put this code. I will leave this code in the description below. And here, this one. And after that, your Microsoft Store will be deleted. And then another step, what you need to do here, you need to open up Xbox app. And if you deleted your Microsoft Store, on the bottom you should see here, this app needs an extra component. Microsoft Store is needed for account management. So you need to press install here. As you can see here, it will take a few minutes. And now, basically, Microsoft Store should work and it should open properly. Right, so that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.